Hi guys, so this is the next video in the chapter 12 series. So today we'll be looking into management process. Management. Management is a process consisting of four basic managerial functions, that is planning, organizing, leading, controlling. Planning. Planning is the process of establishing of goals and objectives for the business and the establishing of relevant strategies to achieve them. Organizing. Organizing is the process of allocating resources, delegating authority, and distribution of work in order to achieve organization's goals and objectives efficiently and effectively. Coordination of various resources and duties of the organization to attain its goals and objectives. Leading. Leading is the process of influencing, motivating, and make employees to work in activities that would achieve the organization's goals and objectives. Controlling. Controlling is the process of examining if the plans that was established initially are being implemented through appropriate strategies to achieve the goals and objectives of the organization. If there are any deviations, then identify them and also take corrective actions. So that's it with this video guys. Please do like and share to learn and let others learn. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.